It's raining here in the Philippines, and see what happened. It's raining in and out. See that water? Oh my god, I don't know where to get money for the repair of this house. You know, there's nothing to hide. Up and down. See? There you can see the basin that is full of water. All our clothes are wet. Oh my god. This is my problem whenever it's raining. See, this is water inside. See? Here. See this? See? Nowhere to hide. And it's raining very hard. Oh my god. Oh, it's raining inside out. Doggy, are you okay? Doggy? Oh my god, what happened here? This is makeup. Oh my goodness. A swimming pool. This is a swimming pool. Okay, lot of water here. There is no dry place for us to sleep. Chow Chow, are you okay? So it's raining.
But we have McDonald's.
Look at this.
Yes.
See guys, we really need money.
Or
I don't have money for the repair of this house. My goodness. It's raining inside and out. See? Huh? What will happen to us? See this? My God.
baha pero may McDonald's. McDonald's. McDonald's.